Half Magic? I knew this was from you. Yes, I did. And might I add, look how perfect it goes with my look right now. Look how perfect. Look how perfect. Take it in. Yeah. This is from Half Magic. Half Magic, I love you so much. Before I say anything else, I literally love you so much. You know that. I hope. I have received a package from Half Magic before, but I don't care how many packages I receive, this is iconic, and I'm so excited. I've seen my mutuals and my friends talking about these already, so I'm literally so excited. Pretty sure I know what this is, but let's open it. Look how cute. Yes! I was right. I'm literally so excited. I cannot express. Okay, I'm gonna try to stay calm. You know me, I love a little pamphlet because I love a little information. Sparklestik's Eye Crayon, the Overachiever eyeshadow stick. Ooh, and their lip liners. Dude, I freaking love their lip liners. Specifically, is it You're My Taupe or You're So Taupe? I think it's You're My Taupe because it's like You're My Type. You're My Taupe and Badassery Parade. Anyway, these banging. Ooh, cute. It has all the shades. Cute. Oh, there's new ones. Does that mean there's new ones in here? Oh my God, I'm literally gonna be so excited. Ah, new. 2 new ultra flattering shades. Okay, amazing. It says Frosty. I'm so excited. 6 magical Frosty shades. Okay, let me read this. Oh, cute. Ooh, okay. Blend it with a finger, set for 12-hour wear. We like to call her our little overachiever. Cute. Okay, work. I'm literally so excited. Aw. Punk Pony. I need to use that one immediately. Okay, stop. Stop it right now. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I will be using that. Thank you so much. What? And these cute little pens? How did you know I needed a new pen? Oh, that's adorable. And I love color coding if I'm taking notes. Half Magic, thank you. I literally haven't even gotten to the makeup yet. Okay. I am so thrilled right now. Oh my God, I love these. Seize the Sleigh and More Haze and Prancing Queen and Emo Rose. Okay, literally yes. I already know I'm gonna like those because I already know I love that formula. I wish my Badassery Parade one didn't break. That could have been on me. Ooh, oh, dude, it's literally all of them. I am so excited. Look, seriously, and it matches my look. I can't even stop thinking about it or looking at it. I think I need to try. Ooh, I like that the color is also like on the top, like when you're shopping, so it can kind of like correspond to that. Punk Pony, no matter what, I need to try first. And then Faux Bot looks really cute. Cloud Kid, they all honestly look really cute. Champagne Snowflake as an inner corner is gonna be absolutely fire, I think. Let me just try a couple of them. 12-hour long wear, 12-hour crease proof. We will see about that. Cute. Oh, I do love their packaging. I love this color. Ooh, Punk Pony. Oh, that looks more blue than I thought. Ooh. Ooh, it's kind of like a slate blue, like a slate or navy. Ooh, I like that a lot, actually. Those are very, very shimmery. That is like very shimmery, very like glittery, reflective. Here it is a little bit closer up too. Wow. Okay. I like that it clicks closed. That's nice, feels reassuring. I do want to try the Faux Bot because I don't know if I want to put blue down below yet. No, I actually want to try the pink one. Let's try the pink one. Twirlita, cute. Again, cute packaging. Love that the color of the actual product is like somehow signified on this. Ooh, okay. Ooh. It's like a peachy kind of pink. Oh, that's freaking cute. Wow, that looks just like the Y2K cherub. Yeah. I'm honestly just gonna kind of run this here. Oh, a little bit lower. Not even like applying any pressure. Okay, so that completely covered the brown. Wait, but that's cute though. Okay. That's freaking pigmented. Do you see that it just like blocked that out? Okay. I do just want to take a little bit of Punk Pony, put it like right out here, just because now I'm curious if they layer on top. Yep, sure do. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, I like that. That is very effortless, very easy to use. I would have to imagine that like as you go using this, you might want to like sharpen it in some way, but honestly, you could always take like a brush to it or something. I do have to see if Champagne, what is it? Champagne Snowflake. I thought it was gonna say Champagne Supernova for a second, and I was like, Oasis, is that you? This might be the move with my inner corner. Yeah, literally so easy, adorable. I'm gonna take it up a little bit more because why not have more when I can have more? That is so cute. Okay, Really, 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 really into that one. This makes doing an inner corner like that so fast. And I feel like I literally didn't even use like a brush or anything, and it just kind of like, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I'm gonna say this, not that anyone is asking, especially Half Magic is not asking me, but I would love to see these in a lot darker. Like I would love to see these in like, maybe they have that in the works already, but like these are super cute. I can't wait to try faux bot like all over my lid. I want to do that immediately. But seeing these darker, like black, charcoal, like really grungy deep tones, super rich coppers and browns and like reds. I'm already getting like ahead of myself because I think these are really stunning and very cute. I really like, honestly, Punk Pony, really very much into. I can 100% see myself reaching for these, throwing it, if it does not crease, if it really does hold up like it says, throwing that on my lower lash and rolling with it, because I've been looking for shimmers like this specifically, because sometimes it's kind of hard to like lay down a shimmer or a kind of like sparkly on my lower lash line because it just doesn't have enough oomph or like grip to it. And I feel like this is perfect for this. So I'm very, very excited. Very excited to try all the other shades. These three, I have to say I really adore. Let me try actually, I'm gonna put the pink one. I'm gonna take a little bit of pink and put it right here. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Then maybe mix in a little bit on top. What is this called? Cinderella? No, champagne. Gee, good God. I will call this everything but its name. A little bit up here. Dude, that as a brow highlight, woo! Yeah, I will be going through that one. I can tell you already that will be happening. Ooh, that's cute. That's very cute. Love that they click close so aggressively too. Like I know it's shut. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. Yeah, really into that. Really actually very much into that. Also, Half Magic, thank you, because this is super handy for me. So I'm actually gonna use all of these. Thank you so much. I feel like you probably guessed that when you sent it my way. And I don't really have a nose highlight on right now, but what if? Yeah, yeah, that's cute. Ooh, ooh, love, love, love. I think swatching it on my hand and like rubbing it like this, you're not gonna do this to your eye, so like what good does that really show you? But the fact that they are not moving is promising. Really love this, super excited. Would love to see more of these already. I feel like there's a lot of products out like this, and if this is gonna hold up, if this is gonna really last, having this kind of a product in really quality, that's not just gonna like disappear off of my face, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Half Magic, seriously, thank you so much again. Oh my God, and the lips. Oh my God, the lips. Let me know what you want to see. Cannot thank you enough. Oh my God, Half Magic. And just Donnie. I met Donnie. I will forever talk about this because it was just so wonderful. I met Donnie a year ago at DragCon and it was absolutely wonderful. Donnie, if you see this, it was so lovely talking to you. That was such a wonderful experience. Truly, I will never forget that. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, they're so cute.